Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is yet another Earphone Tuesday here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. This is the feature where we unbox and provide some first impressions of some wireless earbuds or wired earphones or headphones. Essentially any audio products that we believe make the travel experience better. And today we're going to be unboxing and giving you some first impressions of the UMI earphones from Amazon. UMI is an Amazon brand, and this pair of earphones is one that is currently on offer on Prime Day, but you're unlikely to get that deal just yet. But don't worry, there's probably going to be some lightning deals coming along soon, which will be very similar. So these are around about £20 sterling on Amazon UK, and there's also a 20% off voucher on the Amazon site. The packaging, as you can see, is quite simple. It has UMI in the front and a picture of the earbuds and the case. And the back of the box has some basic information, and there you go. Right, very good. You have a clearly illustrated image of how to put on these earbuds and where to put them. And you have instruction code, cheat code, and some basic instructions. So everything as you'd expect. Let's see what else is in the box. So a strip of extra earbuds. I'm assuming these are small and large, and medium will already be applied. I particularly like them in this packaging as opposed to in a little plastic bag. It makes them easy to put in your bag if you're traveling. It's always good to have extras, and I like that design. And we have a cable. In this case, it is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable for charging. And if Amazon can do that on a pair of £20 earbuds, I think some phone manufacturers should be able to do that nowadays. Let's see what else is in the box. A complete user guide rather than the quick one in multiple languages. So I will be sure to check that out later. But let's look at the earbuds themselves. So a little plastic strip here, which comes off from the top. And it's very, very nice soft touch plastic. It's like matte blue finish. These do also come in black and white as well. There may be price differences depending on what you're looking at and when you're looking at them on Amazon. But just to give you an idea, you don't get the bright UMI earbuds that we had previously unboxed and gave some first impressions of here on the Tech Travel YouTube channel. So UMI has some UMI branding on the earbuds themselves. What I'm going to do is take my Google Pixel 5 and I'm going to pair these earbuds to them. First things first though, let's check and see if there are any pogo pin covers to take off. No, there aren't. So as you can see, there's no plastic covering as we have on other earbuds. And I'm going to pop these into my ears and see if we can pair them simply. So from what we saw from the instructions, there's no specific app for these, and I see that we have UMI buds available as a new device. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to pair the UMI buds. And first impression, English language coming through the earbuds there to say that they're connected. So as usual, I'm going to be putting these through their paces for a few hours. I will be back with some first impressions and overall thoughts after a few hours of use. For you it won't be long, for me it'll be a bit longer, but be aware there might be an ad break here. Okay then, so I'm back, and after a few hours of using the UMI, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, for a reasonable price, which is under £20, you get really good value for money. But I wouldn't mind spending, if I were on the market for a good pair of earbuds, I wouldn't mind spending the recommended retail price of £30 sterling, 29.99. The case itself is very nice to hold. I'm pleasantly impressed by the matte finish blue case, and the earbuds are comfortable to wear and work well. The only thing I'd say is they are unusually large in the sense that the bud itself is large and so are the stems. So they are comfortable to wear, no issues there, but it's surprisingly large. And in terms of sound quality, they are very, very realistic in the same way that the LG tone-free FN6 were when we reviewed them last year. These are very similar. They don't over-index towards the bassy side of music. These are very, very realistic earbuds. So if you're into, say, pop music, techno, etc., you may be feeling there's a bit of bass missing here. These earbuds are not super bassy, but they're very, very accurate when listening to spoken words, such as podcasts, audiobooks, and some classical music. Not having that bass allows you to get a bit more nuance in what's coming. Now, looking at the specifications on Amazon, it seems that these have dual drivers. So they have a separate speaker for the lower tones and a separate one for the higher ones. And they seem to work well, as I said. So these are high quality audio. Not only that, they also have IPX7 protection, which means that you will be able to use these in splashy, rainy conditions. I wouldn't recommend taking them swimming because that's not what IPX7 covers you for, but they definitely cover you for splash resistance according to the specifications on the Amazon website. The controls were pretty straightforward. There are capacitive touches on the buds themselves. So to keep the volume, to move the volume up, you right tap on the right earbud. Volume down is tap on the left earbud. And to answer calls, pause music, it's double taps on the left and the right. So overall, performance is great. I was able to use Pocket Cast, Audible for my audiobooks, and listen to some music on YouTube Music. Not only that, I also spent some time watching video on YouTube, and because these are Bluetooth 5, I realized there's little or no latency when using these for video. And I also played a game of Mobile Legends just to see what the lag was like, and honestly, it's not perceivable. In day-to-day use, it's not something you perceive. One thing I did like is the case with USB Type-C is at the back, so when you put them down on a surface, they don't roll around, you don't accidentally open the case, and they charge pretty well. You can charge the case independently of the earbuds, so I was doing that, and in terms of battery life, I was really quite impressed. It's been a few hours, around about 4 or 5 hours, and I've not had to charge them. As they came out of the box, they had enough juice in them to go for a decent amount of time. So overall, thumbs up from me. Value for money. If you can get these under the £20 mark, that's a great thing. Go for them. It's a no-brainer. As I said, they're not perfect for music if you want that bassy type music for techno or electronic music, but they are very, very good and accurate in that respect. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can purchase these UMI earbuds on the Amazon UK website. I will also leave a link to my test playlist on YouTube Music for testing earbuds. That playlist does catch up with earbuds that have maybe higher or lower quality speakers within them, in the sense that it trips up the speakers. So check that out if you're interested. And if you have any further questions or you'd like to know more, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. But for now, I will wrap up this quick unboxing and first impressions. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, Thanks for watching, and goodbye.